The Koblenz 2-gallon dry vacuum cleaner epitomizes power and versatility in a compact and lightweight design. Boasting a formidable 360 watts of suction power and a 2.0-gallon capacity, this vacuum cleaner effortlessly tackles both dry debris and liquid spills with ease. Its 3-in-1 capability extends its utility beyond traditional vacuuming, transforming it into a powerful blower for various cleaning tasks. With thoughtful features such as cord management and designated storage compartments, along with a durable construction backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this vacuum cleaner is a reliable companion for spot cleaning around the home or addressing messes in your car or workshop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. This vacuum cleaner impresses with its powerful suction capabilities. With a wattage of 360 watts, this compact vacuum packs quite a punch, making quick work of both dry debris and liquid spills. Whether you're tackling spot cleaning around the home or addressing messes in your car, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance thanks to its 2.0-gallon capacity and efficient 2-horsepower motor. Number 2. Versatile cleaning options. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its versatility. Not only does it excel at traditional vacuuming tasks, but it also doubles as a powerful blower, providing added utility for tasks such as clearing debris off workbenches or inflating pool floats and balloons. This 3-in-1 capability makes it a versatile tool for various cleaning needs around the home or garage. Number 3. Effortless storage and cord management. Convenience is key with this vacuum cleaner. Despite its powerful performance, this wet-dry vacuum remains compact and lightweight, ensuring easy maneuverability and storage. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with designated compartments and hooks to securely store all included accessories, such as the twist and lock hose, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and filter bag, keeping everything organized and within reach. Additionally, the built-in cord management system eliminates tangled cords, streamlining the cleaning process and saving valuable time. Number 4. Durable design and longevity. Crafted with quality and durability in mind, this vacuum cleaner is built to withstand regular use. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability, while the included 5-year limited warranty provides peace of mind, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in the product's longevity and performance. Number 5. Convenient maintenance. Maintenance of this vacuum cleaner is hassle-free due to its thoughtful design and included care instructions. Users are advised to replace the filter when needed and empty the tank regularly to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, blowing dust off the filter helps to ensure continued suction power, while the twist and lock hose can be easily locked and unlocked for added convenience during use. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11.52 inches length by 11.45 inches width by 10 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Koblenz WD 2 liters wet-dry vacuum cleaner stands as a testament to efficiency and convenience. Its powerful performance, versatile capabilities, and user-friendly design make it an invaluable tool for tackling cleaning tasks both big and small. With its durable construction and included warranty, users can trust in its reliability for years to come. Whether you're clearing up spills at home, tidying your car interior, or maintaining your workshop, this wet-dry vacuum proves to be a dependable and versatile solution. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless cleaning with this vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.